Hello there. This is a trade. This is a live trade that I have placed according to the SRT trading pattern, and this one is seems a very challenging trade for me. But let's see what happens. And it has crossed the line. It is gonna be a losing trade, but I will try to make it a winning trade. So this one is the previous line. Oh my God! Huge movement. So let's place another let's place another call trade here because the market should have reversed from this level, but it was not accurate. It has crossed. It was not supporting the line, so I have placed another uh, call trade from there because there is a previous resistance, and there is previous resistance, and there is previous resistance. So that's why I have placed the trade with confidence, and it's a $20 trade, and I have a very good money management plan. So I'm absolutely okay, and I'm so confident about the winning. So let me explain the trade once again. I placed the trade here because it was absolutely okay with the trend line and the resistance line. This was the point, but it was not a winning trade. And then the market has crossed my line and it went down, and it has reached at the another resistance level. So I have placed another trade from there, though my trade should have, well, this result was zero, so unfortunate. Let's place another trade. This should be a winning trade, but it is not. So let's see what happens next. Though it's not a proper way of trading, I am just out of my mind because my winning trades are going to be losing trade. That's why I'm so aggressive. And let's try to find a very good setup and try to recover our loss. If I lost, then I will try to recover our loss using our 2 consecutive trading pattern strategy. 17 seconds remaining, and I'm still waiting. I have balance of $483 for now. It seems it's gonna be a winning trade. Please be winning trade. I'm so scared here. And there you go. So let me explain what has happened. As my strategy is, look at my trading history. I own several trades and ultimately I'm profitable. That's the basic thing. This was zero. This was losing. This was zero. And this was winning. So this is how I trade with my strategy, SRT trading pattern from the binary logic. And the main key of success is just to be consistent with your winning and don't try to make a lot of money in a single day. So guys, I have to draw a support line, a resistance line, and a trend line, and let's see if you find a very good point. That's your trading area. Okay, so let's try to find another trading pattern. So this was not a very good trading setup because it was not supported. So let's check another trading zone. No, it's not still supporting. It is also not. So that's all for now. Seems they're, oh, okay. Let's try to find another trade. No, this is not gonna be a winning trade. Here a trade formation is happening. This one is the support line, and this one is a perfect trade setup. Should be, if this line touch this line, I will place a put trade here. There you go. There you go. This is my trading that I have found while recording the video. This is a $20 trade and my current balance is $500. If I win this trade, but maybe I will stop trading for today because I have already reached at my profit level of my today's target. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more tips about binary options trading. And the best tips ever for getting success in binary options trading is be consistent and do not overtrade, and set your target, set a very good money management strategy. Money management pattern. Strategy should not be called in IQ option. And you have to be serious while trading. And if you even trade in demo, try to act like a real trader, okay? And I have withdrawn 4 times from my account, and I was successful, okay? Because you can see this account has only $500, and my target is to make only $50. That means 10% a day. Okay, with proper money management, and I have very low risk. You can say I do not have any risk. So $538, so I have already withdrawn $50 from my account, and 38, that means 538 means $28, right? Sorry. That means $88, right? So I have owned $88 today, and I'm absolutely happy with my result because my account is only $500. I don't want to take more risk because you should not take too much risk rather than your account and rather than your balance. Better stay safe, earn 10% a day. That's absolutely okay. If you are an aggressive trader, you can trade too, but it is completely up to you guys. If you do not have any IQ option account, please visit thebinarylogic.com/IQ option, and I will see you in another video. Bye.